Fingerhut Credit isn't a traditional credit card. It's a closed-loop credit account that only lets you buy products from Fingerhut's catalog, and the prices are usually higher than what you'd find at regular retailers. By the end of this, you'll understand how Fingerhut Credit actually works, what it costs, and whether it helps you build credit in a meaningful way. Here's the direct answer up front. Fingerhut can help build credit if you have no other options, but it's one of the most expensive and limited ways to do it. Start with how it works. Fingerhut operates like a shopping account, not a Visa or MasterCard. You get approved for a credit line, then use it only on Fingerhut's website for items like electronics, household goods, and small appliances. That limitation matters because you can't use it anywhere else. The company works with banks like WebBank to extend credit, and it reports your payment history to all 3 major credit bureaus. That's the key benefit. If you make on-time payments, that activity can show up on your credit report and help build your score over time. Now the catch. Prices on Fingerhut are often higher than standard retail prices. That means you're paying extra for the ability to use credit when you might not qualify elsewhere. There's also interest if you carry a balance, and that can add up quickly depending on your purchase and repayment speed. So even though it feels like easy approval credit, it comes at a cost. Now, how people usually use it. Most users who try to build credit with Fingerhut buy small, low-cost items and pay them off quickly. The goal isn't shopping. The goal is creating a clean payment history that gets reported. So if you use it, the strategy is simple. Only buy something you already plan to purchase. Keep the balance small. Pay it off in full as fast as possible. Then stop using it unless needed. Who this is for? Fingerhut makes sense if you have very limited credit history, or have been denied for both secured cards and starter unsecured cards. Who should avoid it? If you qualify for a secured card like Discover at Secured or Capital One Secured, those usually give you better credit building power with lower long-term cost. Quick summary. Fingerhut gives access to credit when you might not qualify elsewhere. It reports to major credit bureaus and can build payment history. But it's expensive compared to normal retail and should be used carefully. Best next step. Compare it with at least one secured credit card before signing up so you don't overpay just to build credit. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of credit building tools.